Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix this Telegram channel cannot be displayed error, and here's how it is done. Since this setting isn't available in the mobile app, open a browser on your phone or computer and go to web.telegram.org. Log in into your Telegram account using your phone number and verify if it is needed. Access Settings. Once logged in, click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings section, select Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the Sensitive Content section. In the Sensitive Content section, uncheck the option to disable filtering. This will allow sensitive content to be shown. After updating the settings on the web version, close the Telegram app on your phone. Reopen the app to sync the updated settings. By disabling the sensitive content filter, you should now be able to see previously hidden content in Telegram. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix this Telegram channel cannot be displayed error. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.